Have you ever thought about why sleep feels so rejuvenating? The answer lies within your body's repair schedule. Each organ has designated times for self-repair during your sleep. Understanding this can significantly enhance your health. Let's delve into these healing hours together. Recognizing these windows allows you to tap into the restorative power of sleep. Aligning your rest with your body's natural rhythms is key. First, from 1 to 3 a.m., your liver detoxifies. This hard-working organ eliminates toxins during these essential hours. Prioritizing deep sleep is crucial to help the liver perform effectively. Next, between 3 and 5 a.m., your lungs cleanse. They remove residual air and clear mucus during this time. Ensuring deep, uninterrupted sleep is essential for maintaining lung health. Then, from 5 to 7 a.m., your large intestine detoxifies. It readies your body for the day by removing waste. Resting well during this period is vital for good digestion and gut health. Imagine a typical scenario. Picture often staying up late and missing the liver's detox hour. This disruption can lead to fatigue, sluggishness, and digestive problems. In summary, your body heals efficiently within specific hours. Synchronizing your sleep with these times can boost your well-being. Ignoring them could have lasting impacts on your energy levels. Are you ready to improve your sleep? Start tonight by going to bed earlier. Subscribe to LifeCare Education for more health and wellness insights. Let's heal together. Understanding your body's healing schedule is vital. Each organ's repair time greatly affects how refreshed you feel in the morning. For instance, if you disrupt the liver's detox phase by staying up late, fatigue may result, impacting your overall health over time. The link between sleep and organ health is undeniable. Optimizing your sleep is essential. Think about the change when you commit to those healing windows for an invigorated you. With this knowledge, you can make informed choices about your nighttime routine, paving the way for a healthier future. From 7 to 9 a.m., your stomach becomes active, preparing for your first meal of the day. This phase is crucial for activating your metabolism, ensuring effective nutrient absorption. Waking up refreshed stimulates this organ's ability to function at its best. If you often sleep through this time, you may miss the chance to energize your digestive system, potentially leading to an unfocused day. Recognizing these healing hours shows how your body's rhythms support overall well-being. A few small changes can yield significant improvements. From 9 to 11 a.m., your pancreas becomes active, producing insulin to regulate blood sugar levels efficiently. This period is essential for maintaining daily energy. Rising late and missing this crucial window may cause energy dips and sugar crashes later. Understanding this balance enables you to align your waking hours with your body's metabolic needs. Simple adjustments, like waking up consistently at the same time, can greatly enhance your vitality and ensure a harmonious rhythm for your day. Embrace the power of these healing hours, allowing your body to perform at its peak. From 11 a.m. to 1 p.m., your heart enters a critical repair phase. During this time, it improves circulation and supports cardiovascular health. If you remain active, you can assist its efforts, helping maintain your heart's rhythm throughout the day. Ultimately, by understanding your body's specific healing hours, you can intentionally adjust your sleep patterns to enhance your well-being. Prioritizing restorative sleep is more than a choice. It's a commitment to a healthier, more vibrant life. Begin to embrace these rhythms today. Recognizing these cycles enhances not just physical health, but mental clarity and emotional stability too. There's growing awareness of the connection between sleep and overall well-being, highlighting the importance of these healing hours. Adopting a consistent sleep schedule in tune with your body's rhythm can uplift your mood and cognitive function. Waking up after quality restorative sleep prepares you to face daily challenges confidently. Picture yourself thriving with renewed energy, confidence, and focus. By committing to this rhythm and prioritizing sleep, you're setting the stage for a vibrant, healthy future where energy abounds and satisfaction reigns. Aligning your life with these healing hours can truly be transformative. Start your journey of discovery. Reflect on how your current sleep habits align with these essential cycles. Adjustments may be necessary, but the rewards are immense. Scheduling your bedtime to coincide with these healing hours takes effort, yet instills empowerment. When you prioritize sleep, you nurture your body, allowing each organ to repair optimally. Imagine the fulfillment that comes from cultivating healthier habits. Each small change accumulates into a significant impact. This journey represents more than just sleep. It embodies the embrace of vibrancy and longevity in life. Transform this knowledge into actionable steps starting tonight. Gradually adjust your bedtime to align with those healing windows. Though challenging, your body will reward consistency. As you embrace these changes, pay attention to how you feel. You'll notice improved energy and enhanced mood as your organs receive the restorative time they require. You might find that your concentration significantly benefits as well. The power of prioritizing restful sleep lays a foundation for a healthy lifestyle, not just for now, but for years to come. Every moment spent investing in your healing journey contributes to a vibrant, fulfilling life. Embrace this path toward wellness wholeheartedly, making every night a step closer to optimal health. Reflect on the profound impact these changes can have on your life. You may observe improvements in energy levels, immune efficiency, mental sharpness, and emotional resilience. Aligning with this natural rhythm sets the stage for progressive health benefits, leading to a balanced, harmonious life. As you integrate these practices into your routine, consider the ripple effect on your wellness. Your body will reward your efforts with vitality, enriching each day's experience as you pursue lasting health. Ultimately, this intentional alignment with your body's healing hours is a simple yet powerful investment in a vibrant future. By committing to an early sleep schedule, you're not merely changing your nights, you're transforming your days. Awareness is your greatest ally, guiding you to proactive decisions that promote well-being. Each morning offers rejuvenation, a fresh start energized by the restorative sleep you prioritized. Embrace this journey, letting your newfound understanding of healing hours lead you to a life of vitality and purpose. Start tonight, for every end marks a new beginning. Welcome the subtle changes as you adjust your habits. Each choice profoundly supports your body's natural healing process. By aligning your actions with your biological rhythm, you cultivate an environment where rejuvenation flourishes and clarity emerges effortlessly. Transitioning to this healthier lifestyle empowers you to own your journey, unlocking hidden potential. Celebrate small victories. Each moment of restorative sleep contributes richly to your overall state. As you increasingly tune into these restorative cycles, you'll recognize the habits that serve you best. This holistic approach extends beyond sleep. It's a pledge to enhance your daily experience through mindful living. Ensuring you nurture your body becomes a crucial aspect of life. The choices you make today lay the groundwork for a brighter tomorrow filled with energy, joy, and deep well-being. Each night of restorative sleep sets the stage for your health. Your body craves synchronization, yearning for the healing hours that empower your organs to thrive. Take charge of your health while nurturing both your body and mind. Commit to your sleep, embrace transformation, and observe how these adjustments harmonize and invigorate your life. With dedication, every evening offers renewal, making each dawn a tribute to your commitment to health and vitality. Begin this path today. In closing, aligning your life with your body's healing cycles promotes physical vitality along with emotional balance and mental clarity. By prioritizing restorative sleep, you foster a more vibrant, fulfilling existence. Start this transformative journey tonight, embracing the wellness that follows.